Today I am revealing the top 5 auto trading bots for Binance and Bybit. Tested in real conditions in 2026, we lines rank them by profit potential, ease of use, risk, and settings so you can decide which bot deserves your money. Let's dive in. Welcome back to CryptoBot Lab, the channel where we test the most powerful crypto automation tools and show what actually works. With so many bots out there, it's hard to know what's real and what's hype. So I tested the most popular auto trading bots on Binance and Bybit with real strategies, real capital, and real results. Bot number 1. Best overall. Why number 1? Easy UI, strong back-tested results, works on Binance and Bybit. Best 4. Beginners plus intermediate, my score, 4 stars. Bot number 2. Best for grid trading. Why it's great. Perfect for sideways markets, automatic buy, sell grids, low risk if set properly. Best 4. Grid strategy lovers, my score, 4 stars. Bot number 3. Best for breakout trades. Why it's unique, uses breakout signals, works well in trending markets. Best 4. Swing traders, my score, 3 stars. Bot number 4. Best for high risk, high reward. Why it's risky, higher drawdowns, needs active monitoring. Best 4. Traders who want aggressive results. My score, 2 stars. Bot number 5. Best for beginners. Why it's easy, plug and play presets, no complex settings, works on Binance. Best 4. People new to automation, my score, 3 stars. Important, no bot is set and forget money, markets change. Bots don't predict crash, risk management is still required. Use strong coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, set stop-loss levels, adjust grid, or while levels based on volatility, and start small, scaling with profit. So which bot is the best? If you want simplicity plus consistent profit, gives bot number 1. If you trade sideways markets, gives bot number 2. If you want aggressive gains, gives bot number 4 with caution, and if you're brand new, gives bot number 5.